Hi everybody, my name is Arthur and welcome to another PixelPAD tutorial. We are coding our Fruit Slashers game. In the last video, we fixed the orange splash, so now we are getting the orange splash whenever we slice a orange or a banana, right? We used a very nice code for that. And we also added the Playroom and the Game Over room in our game. So now all our game happens here inside the Playroom instead of happening in the game class. Right? Our game class now just sets the room to be the playroom, and our playroom is counting 1 minute so it can change. Where is it? 1 minute so it can change to the game over room. So whenever this timer is over, we change to the game over room. So today's video is a challenge that I want to show you what I expect you to do for the next video. And I want you to only go to the next video when you've tried this challenge by yourself. Okay, so what is the challenge? The challenge, first, I have two challenges. The first challenge is to add the other splashes to the other fruits in your game. So for example, my pineapple doesn't have a splash. It should be an green splash. What else doesn't have a splash? My eggplant doesn't have a splash as well. It should also be a green splash. So if you have more fruits in your game, just add splashes to all your fruits. So you will need a new class for each new splash. So we have the orange splash, you have the green splash, you have the, purple splash, right? And you have to make them being created whenever we slice the correct fruit that has that splash. So you could do that by going here in the slicer, loop tab. We have this section here where we check for the fruits tag, right? And I also want you to add in your game a bomb. So how is this bomb gonna work? So this bomb is gonna work very similar to a fruit. In fact, actually your bomb is gonna be a fruit. So here in the fruit class, you're going to add a new number. And if you get that number, let's say the number 4 here, you're gonna use a new sprite that is actually gonna be a bomb. So you can find the bomb sprite here on the sprites if you look for it, and you will use that bomb sprite here. And instead of giving you points, the bomb should reset your score. So if you have, let's say, 50 score, you will now have 0 score. If you have 100 score, now you have 0 score. It doesn't matter, right? It should reset your score. And it should also create an animation whenever you slice the bomb, but instead of creating a splash, it should create an explosion. So if we go here on the sprites, I want to show you that we have first the bomb back here. Where is it? B here. We have the bomb, right? And you can also find the explosion right here. So the explosion is also an animation that looks like the splash, right? So it should be simple for you to add a bomb and a explosion, and to also add the animations to all other fruits that we don't have yet, right? And that's it. That's all I want you to do for me for next video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.